Established in 1997, TurboAir began its refrigeration manufacturing and has achieved outstanding growth while providing exceptional services and conveniences to our customers. TurboAir Group now manufactures and supplies commercial refrigerators and freezers, supermarket equipment, cooking equipment, and walk-in system units. TurboAir headquarters is located in Long Beach, California. Our domestic manufacturing facility is located in Dallas, Texas, with international plants situated in South Korea and China. Combined together, TurboAir sells products into 67 countries. Nationwide, 13 TurboAir branch warehouses and 15 part distribution centers provide fast shipping service strategically from the same day to 3 days guaranteed delivery. Our in-house technicians are in place at major cities, as well as 3,000 service partners network for fast and precise services. Our friendly customer service agents and tech support team is ready to help any customer. Our company-employed technicians are experienced and professionally trained on TurboAir products to provide exceptional services. TurboAir's R&D and quality control department is constantly striving to meet the customer's needs by technological enhancements and innovations to improve performance and energy efficiency. TurboAir's motto is to be the best in the world in every aspect of making durable, efficient, and beautiful products.